Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to create a poll on Facebook group. So creating a poll on Facebook group is super easy process. I will show you how to create poll on both computer and mobile device. Go to the Facebook group and click on write something. Click on this three dot and click on poll. Now write here your poll caption or title and write here your poll options. Just click on add option to add more options. Now if you want to post the poll anonymously, you can turn it on. Now just click on post. And here as you can see, the poll has been successfully posted. And now let's make a poll on mobile. On your mobile, go to the group and the same way tap on write something. And here tap on poll and write here your poll option first. Then tap on done and tap on ask a question and here write the poll title or question and just tap on post, and that's it. This is how we can create a poll on Facebook group. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.